My dad would joke that if I wanted to fix something, I would start with a butter knife, and if that didn't work, then I'd go and look for tools. And so our shop is kind of run that way. You know, we don't have a lot of elaborate tools to manufacture stuff. It's still really all done by hand. I'm James Christian Stegman, and I'm a silversmith. The history of Comstock Heritage starts in 1886 in San Francisco. At the time they were making police and fireman badges and still some saddlery and things for horses, accoutrement for horses. And my dad in 1971 took the western part of the business up to Carson City. So I worked for him for a couple of years, and then I wanted to branch out on my own. As odd as it seems for as old as our company is, there was nobody here to teach me, really. My dad really was more in administration and a little bit of manufacturing, and my uncles had already forgotten most of what they knew about what we were doing in terms of silver and gold and diamonds and gemstones. So I just learned by rote. I had no other way to learn it. I don't think that there is a definition of art that is universal. We're trying to do really crazy things with a small 2-inch by 3-inch belt buckle. As an achievement, I'm more proud of the message behind them than I am about the particular piece. If I stop to think about things that we've done that I think are exceptional or that are interesting, my mind really doesn't go to the pieces. It goes to what the pieces have afforded me, the place I've been able to go, the things I've been able to do, the people I've been able to meet. I suppose I would continue to do this as long as it's fun. We didn't start this with the idea of taking it over the world. We started with the idea of turning it into a business and making a living. And somewhere in there, I discovered that it was something that I liked. Because if you do it long enough and you have a modicum of success, I think that you can do that and you can be happy in what you're doing. So I don't know that it's a natural calling at the beginning, but it turned into one.